Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert EPS to JPG in Adobe Illustrator. So get started. At first open your document. Now firstly open this document. Now open your file in the EPS file. Now click for file menu option, then click for open option. Now select from a file. Now click for open. Then we can see open the EPS file. This file EPS file from convert from JPG. Now going to the file menu option, then click for export option. Now select from save as type. Then we can see many option. Now select from JPG. Now select from a file in the position. Now click for open, then click for export option. Now click for a color mode. Now click for a, then I select from a RGB color. Now quality from 10 in the maximum, then click for OK. Now EPS to JPG file from open the file. Now save, that is, then open the JPG file, that is, then you can see open the JPG to EPS file. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.